Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to fix or solve Windows 10 auto reboot problem or auto shutdown problem. It is same as all Windows type, Windows 10, Windows 11 for Windows 7. For fixing auto shutdown and auto reboot problem, you have to check out your operating system first. Right click on this PC option, then click properties. Then check your system type 64-bit or 32-bit. Here my system is 64-bit operating system. Then you have to search here registry editor. After searching the registry editor, you have to run as administrator option. Then yes. Then you have to switch third option from ASCII local machine and expand it. Then you have to select software, expand it. Then you have to search Microsoft, then expand it. After that you have to search Windows option, click on it and expand it. Then we have to click a new key, Windows update. Then click on it. After creating Windows update, you have to again right click on it, then create new key and type capital A and capital U, that's mean auto update. Then okay. Then you have to put here no auto reboot with logged on user. Simply type on it no auto reboot with logged on user. Then you have to right click on it, U, then new. To here my operating system is 64-bit, so I am choosing keyword 64-bit value. Then type here no auto reboot with logged on user, then click on it. After creating this, you have to double click on it and you change the value data from 0 to 1. Then click OK. That's all. I hope your problem will be fixed soon after giving a restart. Now you have to give a restart. Give a restart. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's all. Thanks for watching.